Are you also having problem with Instagram Reel section not loading properly in your laptop or PC? Today in this video, we're trying two new approaches to solve this kind of problem. Let's begin. Firstly, you need to go to the search bar here and type adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Now click on open, and as you can see, here are a lot of options. So go to the custom field and make sure that the first button, that is animate controls and elements inside Windows, is clicked on. So click on this button and click on apply, and after that click on OK. Now go back to your Instagram through your browser. Click on the Reel section. If it still doesn't work for you, then try another step. Now go to this three dots and click on the settings and go to the system, and here you'll find use graphics acceleration when available option. You need to make sure that this button is also clicked on. Now you can click here, and after you make sure that this button is clicked on, go back to your Instagram account and try refreshing the page. For that you can click Ctrl plus R from your keyboard, or you can just click here and reload this page. Now you're good to go. Go to the Reels section and enjoy the Reels. Please comment down below if this method worked for you. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more updates and more tutorials. Thank you.